that's nice. Oh, look at this little stream of nice cars coming through here. I'm gonna go over here. We're on an island, we're on the curb. Hopefully we don't get run over. Just a little busy here, but it's a nice spot. Enjoying this view. That Charger looks great. Black on black, interior black, stripes. Nice SS there too. Nowhere to park. They don't want to park in the back. It's up double parked over there too. Yeah, I wanted to keep looking at that old Pontiac 1950. It's like going to a garage sale. All the stuff on the top there. Antique store. Antiquing. Yeah, you can come here and do some antiquing. The 5.0. Hey, here's an old that. What was it here I came? Oh yeah, I wanted to go up behind. There was my car that came. I'll call it the Camo T. The Camo Model T. And there's a Vet Batmobile. Looks like it to me. Yeah, the guys there are cool. Oh, that's a nice beast of a truck. 31. You might not remember me, but you gave me a sample of your when you first. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. It's still looking good, hey?
I'm too lazy to take it apart. I put seatbelts in.
Oh yeah, inside it.
And actually changed exhaust, but it's too loud. So.
That looks.
This weekend the Berry thing's on. The Berry.
Oh right. So
probably,
they have a flea market north of Berry, right?
They were big 20-inch mufflers. And they had side pipes for years, and then they were too loud. And I got sick of it. So I had 20 big 20-inch mufflers on forever, 18-inch. And then I bought the dumps where you can just hit the button and it'll dump.
Oh, right. Oh.
But, so my buddy had cherry bombs. I'm like, so I cut the old exhaust off, put the cherry bombs on, but they're so loud. So what I'm going to do, and I have nothing on the dumps yet, so I'll go up to the thing. I'll probably buy some nice little 12-inch square mufflers, put them on, and put the little 8-inch cherry bombs as the dumps.
Yeah.
You can see them. You can see. You'll see. You'll see in like 1 second.
Oh, there they are.
Yeah. No, I haven't hooked them up to anything yet, but they're just on a remote.
Right, it's electric, eh? I had a buddy did it. Switch. It's on a solenoid, right?
Yeah. So.
Yeah. What size supercharger is that? I see something on the back.
What's the number? 141.
Yeah. Here. Oh, that's neat. Glad you brought it out. You got to go in still.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is 34 something driving it now.
Very good. Yeah, I was. Are you in this area?
No, I'm up at Uxbridge.
Oh, okay. I was about going to see if you have the Uxbridge cruisers.
Yeah, I was going to go yesterday.
I went there 2 times and there was nothing going on for some reason. Yeah, and I don't know where to check to see.
You were at the park.
Yeah, no, but a schedule saying it's a rain day or somebody got sick and they're not doing it, whatever. You know, I don't know. Yeah. Something happened and it was a totally cool day and
I'm rarely a cargo shy, but there's a couple guys. He's got a 31 Model A delivery. The other guy's got a 34 green Dodge, no fenders, and they're car show guys. But so usually if they drag me somewhere. But
you're using it. I can see you're doing a good job keeping the population of bugs down. Mosquito.
I cleaned it. You should have seen it. You should have seen it before. I have a picture somewhere of a bird sitting on that bar eating the bugs.
He's like perfect. It's like a little bird feeder perch.
In front of a pizza shop in Fort Perry. The guy's like, hey, there's a bird on your car. It's eating bugs out the rabbit. He's probably like, this is delicious.
Yeah. Hey, I'm glad you brought it up. Good to see you again. Hey, it looks good. You're coming along here. Oh, right. Look at that. The dash. This thing's got to be a hoot to drive.
Yeah.
What? You know what that is? This is where the seat is, and it opens. This is where you put your foot. To get in the back, you have to get there and then put a foot here. Not on the fender, you put your foot there to get into the back when they open it up. It's got trailer hitch. You can see, isn't it? That's awesome. This is a used, well used. That's awesome you got it out here. That's great. It'll talk to you soon. Yeah. A few more cars out here. Now we're starting to get busy. And the overflow, I would call this the overflow. I have nice cars back here too. Monty SS. Study that emblem. I have to ask myself, what year is it? I don't know. I haven't earned my Monte Carlo coat of arms yet. Yeah, that's nice.
It's a good spot. If I can find a spot. Well, when you put that kind of money out, you realize I know what this is worth. Yeah.
A couple hundred.
I do like the.
How you doing?
Oh, Steve?
Good to see you. Yeah, man. I haven't seen you in years.
Well, last year.
You still got the Firebird.
Firebird, C10,
Yeah.
67 Fire Camaro.
Nice. What'd you bring? This is it. Hey, awesome. When did you get this?
I just finished this car.
Oh.
This is the first time it's really been driven anywhere. I went to the
Really,
local Bolton show last night.
Oh, wow.
And I came here.
Awesome. Hey, whoa. Big
Just-
block? What'd you do under
It's
there?
a 493 stroker.
Yeah.
Tramac 5-speed.
Yeah.
And a 60.
That's great. And gears? Good highway then, eh?
You know what? I didn't even count the gears when I bought the rear end. And coming down here, I think it's a 4.56.
Oh,
Yeah.
even with overdriving now, you can.
Oh, yeah, you can tell.
Well, you know, still it's.
I was hoping it was a 354. I didn't count, like I said, when I didn't even count the when I bought the rear end.
Try it. See what it's like. For
Well, I
a
gotta
while.
jack it up and I'll rotate it just to see what ratio it really is.
Yeah, then you'll know.
I think it's.
So what is it? A 5-speed you said?
Tramac 5-speed, yeah.
Trim. What's the overdrive gear on that?
0.86.
Oh, 0.86. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that'll feel like a 373. You know what I mean? 1-to-1.
Well, I was I was hoping it was a 350.
Yeah. Well, good job. That looks great. Good job. Oh, wow. Oh, with AC too, right?
Hey, what's happening?
It's brand new.
What's going on,
Wow.
man? You?
It smells new.
Thanks, buddy. You went for the ride last
Oh,
night.
haven't smelled that smell. That's brand new. It's like a really new smell to it. Wow. Good job.
Nice car.
What is it here on top?
I got this 2 years ago.
Back up a bit.
And I just finished putting it together.
Hideaways.
It's kind of the first long one I've ever even had.
There you go, guys. You're the first to see it. Nice. Continue on. Good to see you. Yeah, awesome. Thanks. Thanks for bringing it out. He has some nice cars he built. I'll tell Kathy the story. So, one time after a show, that was over at the old AMC. Remember? So I was leaving, he was leaving, and we were going up by the Walmart. You know where Walmart is there? That road that's on 7? You go north? You know where we used to go there. So it's a side road, kind of to where the shop is. And I'm following him. And he has the Firebird. Well, he's in front of me. He nails it. Breaks loose, and boy, he comes into a fishtail. He lost control and slid and just came inches to the curb from doing a rim, damaging the rim. And but he saved it. Came to a stop. I had a little chuckle, and and we continue on our merry way. You know, it was after a show. Everybody's all pumped that wanting to give it.